to install or prepare the crane inside the shop. This is all the preparation to how to start a build or make a crane inside the shop. The preparation of the constructor. How to start to build. Remember, this is how to start to build crane in the roof. Okay. Okay guys, this is the starting, how to start to make a crane, tower crane inside the shop. So this is guys, only started yesterday. See the line? There's a line mark there going to the other post. So as of now, this is the only thing that I can share to you this video guys. So see you in the following videos. So subscribe how to continue to start to build a crane inside the shop. Okay, so subscribe and click the button and notification bell. That's it for the following videos to come. For the following videos upcoming to share it with you. Okay.